Hi guys, this is Sylvie with Busy Art. Today this is the artwork that connects with the story of Jesus being born and being presented at the temple with Anna and Simeon, recognizing that this was the Messiah that had just been brought into the temple. So this is how we do it. I have the templates here. So there's, if you just want to do one, well, you can't just do one. There's the templates for you to do many. So I've done it on 2 cards so that you can, if you've got lots of children, then it's economic with the card. Okay, that's that one. You can access the template on the website. This is the artwork. So I've cut out this one. Cut out one of these sections and I folded it in half, and then I've cut down here and then folded on that dotted line there, folded it over again, and then folded it back and just made sure that it's well folded. There you have that one. And then I've got baby Jesus here, and I put a piece of 2-stick double-sided tape on here. Just put it on here because if you put it on the back of here, then you could get it all over the other places and it makes everything sticky. So line that up on here like that. And then I've got Anna, she's praying. So I'll take, what I've done here is I've coloured her in and I've folded these tabs at the end and put some 2-stick tape, double-sided tape on the back of them. And I haven't got any markings on down here as to where to put them. But if you could put them where it looks as though this is what Anna is praying about, this Messiah that was going to come into the world, and he was going to be born in Bethlehem. If you put it about where you feel that it looks right. And God gave her a picture. Well, we don't know whether God gave her a picture, but she knew that this baby was going to be born and was going to be presented at the temple in Jerusalem. And this is, put the tabs down like that, and then fold that over so that it folds over on a natural crease at the end. And it should. That is not doing it. Not quite. Perhaps you can cut round here a bit so it doesn't stick on here. Okay guys, what I've done is I've adjusted it so that you've got, if you can remember this, Anna, her speech bubble is just near to her, so I've moved Anna up. I've taken that off and moved her up on the artwork. So when you close it, the speech bubble disappears behind this. So it's like that. So I'm sure that you'll enjoy making this, and remember Anna and Simeon in the temple. Okay, God bless and see you next time.